This is unlike anything else you've ever seen before. Honestly, the video you're about to watch right now has the potential to transform your life, your income, your impact, your influence, your confidence, and who you are as a human being. And I've never been so passionate about creating something as much as I've created this. And it's so weird because I was coming up with this and I thought, how would I present this? The craziest thing that I can share with you is just give me 30 days. That's it. Not 31, not 29, just 30 damn days. And I promise to have you be a new human being. Okay, let me explain this to you. You are in your life getting the results that you have because of the person you are. Right? The thoughts that you have each day, the actions that you take each day, the results, how much money you have in your bank account is really because of who you are right now. If you want more money, you can't go and chase more money. You have to change at the core fundamental level. You have to ingrain new habits, new thinking patterns, new behaviors. And most people, unfortunately, they're stuck watching all this motivational garbage, whether it's on YouTube, on podcasts, they're reading tons of books, courses, and I'm sure you've experienced this, okay? And I'm not saying those things are bad. Look how many books I've got. But here's the thing though, if you do not have the right mindset, no amount of books or courses or systems or seminars or programs will help you. You know, I've now helped over 500,000 entrepreneurs through my daily newsletter, tens of thousands of students in person through my live events, and multiple people have gone on to become millionaires. 2 of them have gone on to create 8-figure businesses. But then I have lots of people that have bought programs, and 1 year later, 2 years later, 5 years later, I ask them, hey, how's it going? No results. And I'm like, why? Life got in the way, something happens. Hey, guess what? My life got in the way too, right? I started when I was 21 years old, dropped out of university in my final year. I thought if you go to school, college, university, get a good degree, get a good job, you're gonna become successful. It wasn't like that. I went through that path and then quickly realized most people come out of university with a ton of debt. They hate their job, they hate their life, they hate their marriage, they hate who they are. And I quickly said to myself, I don't want to follow this. So guess what I did? I went and borrowed money from people because I was 21 years old, morbidly obese, didn't have much confidence. And I went and got myself into $45,000 worth of debt. Every single day, I struggled to go to sleep. Every single day, I had huge anxiety. Every single day, I would stay late, 2, 3, 4 a.m. every single night, night after night, in front of the computer trying to figure this stuff out. I didn't know what I was doing, so naturally I made so many mistakes. And through these mistakes that I was making for a solid 9 months, I became more lost than when I first started, right? Because when I first started, I thought, oh, making money online should be really easy. Then I realized, no, I was the wrong person. I had to change. And then boom, once I got that shift, and I started making those changes, boom, I made $120,000 the next year. The following year, I made $275,000. The next year, I did $1.2 million. The next year, $2.4 million. The next year, $3.6 million. The next year, $6.5 million. The next year, close to $8 million. And I've never, over the last 5+ years, never had a year where I've done less than $1 million a year. Okay, and the reason why I say this is because I created what's called momentum. And I believe that the reason why you aren't having the results that you want, that you desire, that you deserve, that you dream about, and you may be facing so much headache and heartache and hassle, is really because you haven't even built any momentum. So what if you are in the right environment, you had the right accountability, and you had the right plan? Okay, the right environment, the right plan, and the right accountability. Those are the 3 keys that I strongly recommend that you incorporate in your life right now. Let's just talk about 1, the right community. You've probably heard of this. You are the average of the 5 people that you surround yourself with. I surround myself with millionaires, with billionaires, with world-class celebrities, with people that are out there in the world doing amazing things. So guess what? The osmosis is there. I'm naturally taking off that energy. I'm taking that energy and I'm giving it back to my students. And if you're stuck and you're stressed and you're scared and you realize the last 6 months, the last 12 months, heck, even the last 12 years, you haven't produced the result that you know you're capable of, that you should be creating, then this is going to be the most powerful program you're ever going to come across, okay? Because here's what we're doing. I want to help you build momentum. Listen, I grew up in East London. I grew up 3-bedroom council government housing. We had 13 people live there. Don't ask me how. And now, not even 10 years later, okay? 10 years later, I now have this beautiful penthouse office. I have about 20 different staff, employees scattered all over the world, and we're able to impact people's lives. We're able to help people get out of the rut and create a life of their dreams, help people become financially free, help people build a lifestyle business, a personal brand, help them become an influencer in the marketplace, help them add more value. And if you know deep down you are capable of more, you want to do more, you want to have more, you want to contribute more, then I've set this program up where it's going to be a live 30-day program with myself. So for 30 days, you're going to get a power-packed action masterclass from me, okay? We're going to do it online, so doesn't matter where you live, you can access this. And every single day, I'm going to give you an example with a momentum building chart, okay? What this momentum building chart will do is going to have a checklist of all the things that you need to be doing each day to create massive success. Waking up early, right? Waking up early. Are you reading every single day? Are you creating valuable content every single day? Are you meditating? Are you even getting enough sleep? Are you drinking water? Like, these are very basic things, but most people, unfortunately, they have no clue. And you can't just do one or two, you need to do all of them, and you need to do them in a structured way where you have a plan of action. So I am going to give you the momentum building chart. I'm also going to give you not 1 or 2 videos here and there, but 30 videos every single day for the next 30 days, okay? This is why it's called the 30-day challenge, because listen, it takes 21 days for you to even build a habit, okay? And then what I'm also going to do is I'm going to include one of my personal Wealth Academy success coaches to be in the group, okay? He's a high performance specialist. He helps people break through. He's also going to be there. So anyone that we feel like that needs extra little bit of help or push or nudge, we're gonna give it to you, okay? And the reason why we want this is because we want 100% success rate from this group, okay? You're also going to get access, a digital access to a Facebook group, a unique Facebook group that's set up only for this. So each day you're going to be able to contribute, you're going to be able to be held accountable. If you've never made videos, listen, when you see one of my students who's 82 years young, Bill from the UK, he's making videos every single day. When you see his videos, automatically you're going to get inspired. When you see someone like Julian, who's been following me for 9 years, and guess what? He didn't do nothing for 9 years. 9 years of his life, he's been looking at my programs, he's been following me online, and just recently he came to one of my 3-day live events, and I had put him onto this program, okay? I put him onto this program, and now I see his brand is flourishing, he's putting his message out there, he's putting his voice out there, and he's inspiring even me. And so when you see stories like this, or how about Sarah? Sarah started off completely brand new just less than 2 years ago, and in the last 2 years she's gone from zero to over $100,000 per month in a business with her husband. She's a mother of 2. She was skeptical, she was completely hopeless and completely new when she started online marketing, but she came to my live event and she changed her life. Well, guess what happened after that? Recently I told her, go and start doing this challenge to increase your brand and your influence, and now she's also completed a challenge, and now her brand is flourishing. So if you truly want to succeed at the highest level this year and for the next 5-10 years and beyond, let me help you, okay? For the last 9 years, here's one thing that I've been able to do. And I'm not the smartest guy in the room, okay? I'm not the guy that wakes up at 5 a.m. every single day, although sometimes I try. I'm not the guy that goes to the gym every single day, although I do go to the gym. I'm not the disciplined guy in the world. I make a lot of mistakes, but let me tell you one thing I haven't done over the last 9 years. I don't take my foot off the pedal. Okay, I don't take my foot off the pedal for no one. I've had lots of things happen, but I don't take the foot off my pedal. I have bad stuff, negative stuff, heart, soul-crushing things, sure. Do I get down? Do I have bad days? Yeah. But I don't let the momentum go, okay? Because I know what it feels like to be dirt poor, buried in debt, broken, having your friends and family laugh at you, feeling like a freaking loser. I know what that feels like. And I ain't ever going back there. And if you are sick and tired of your current results, then I invite you to come and spend 30 days with me. Honestly, this program isn't even about me making money. Most of my programs start off at $3,000. We've got thousands of students all over the world. This is not a program for me to make money. This is a program for you to finally get unstuck and get into momentum. I believe the number one key factor that's going to help you get out of where you are right now to where you want to get to is momentum. Okay, and I'm hosting the 10x Momentum Challenge so that you can 10x your impact, your influence, your income in the next 30 days. Okay, I'm gonna be there with you every single day. And one of the reasons why I'm even doing this is because I wanna do it for myself. And I've just decided that since I've got a group of customers and subscribers that follow my stuff, that buy my stuff, that work with me, that watch my videos and such, I wanna invite you to this. Go ahead and take action. I've got a couple of amazing bonuses on this page that you're not gonna see anywhere else, but these are designed to really help you. You know, some days I'm gonna go so deep into talking about how the mind truly works and the stuff that I've learned, some of the stuff that I've learned when it comes to creative visualization, when it comes to manifesting. You know, I remember back in 2010, 2011, I was very fortunate to meet a gentleman that taught me the power of manifesting. There was actually two of these guys who I learned from. One of them was making as much as $100,000 per day. $100,000 per day, okay? This was back like 8-9 years ago. Back then, that was a lot of money. It still is for now. And I remember meeting him and learning from him in person, and he had taught me about the different things of thinking, of creating, of attracting. I'll give you one topic that I'm gonna be talking about, which is self-talk. Throughout the 30 days, one of the topics I'm going to talk about is self-talk and how do you engineer and manufacture self-talk so you always have a high level of optimism. Doesn't matter what happens in your world, doesn't matter what comes crashing down, doesn't matter all the bad stuff that happens, because bad stuff happens. I'm going to show you how to bulletproof yourself so that you have a mind that just powers through. Doesn't matter, you're going to get the job done. Just like today, I was not feeling up to it. I was not feeling mentally right. I didn't have much sleep. I didn't whatever. And I honestly did not want to spend the whole day making videos. Guess what I did? I made videos the whole day. And this is just part of creating success. You do the things that you don't even want to do. And guess why? Because I have a group of people that hold me accountable to a higher standard. And I want to help you. I want to be that person to hold you to a higher standard so that you don't get off the shelf. You don't fall off, right? You don't lose momentum. And it doesn't take you that long. I'm just asking you for 30 days. Give me 30 days. Let me help you build momentum. Let me help you build the habits, the structure that you need so that you can go on and have success for the next 9 years like I've enjoyed. I mean, I've traveled over 100+ countries. This isn't a joke. I mean, my favorite country is Singapore. I've been there like 50 times. I mean, think about going to a country 50 times because you love it so much. I've been able to take my parents to Saudi Arabia to do spiritual stuff. I've been able to support amazing charities all over the world. I've been able to give back. I've been able to help students transform their lives. I've been able to transform my life. And this is not about anyone else, but just you. You gotta take a chance on yourself. If not now, then when? If not you, then who? How much longer are you gonna be stuck in a place of overwhelm, frustration, scared, stressed, lacking results? Listen, this is gonna be a powerful 30 days of transformation. We're gonna be starting very soon. If you're watching this video, it means the challenge is now open. We opened this just a few days and then boom, we shut it down. And I don't know the next time I'm gonna open this or if I'm gonna open it again, but if you're watching this right now and you want to transform your business and your life and your income, look, most of my programs start at $3,000. You can go to wealthacademy.com. As the CEO of a multi-million-dollar business, you will get access to me for the next 30 days. I will coach you. I will coach you on exactly what you need to do to gain massive exponential results. If you've watched this far, then I know I'm speaking to you. Then I know you're not a joker. Then I know you're not someone that's just wandering around. Take action on this. Click on the link right now, reserve your spot. You have nothing to lose. If after 30 days you feel like this didn't change your life and you've done the exercise, that's fine. Just send us an email, no hard feelings, okay? I'm not doing this for the $100, okay? I'm doing this because I want you to change your life, okay? So it's literally one payment. Go ahead, click on it right now and get cracking on. Get started today, and I look forward to serving you during these 30 days 10x momentum challenge. Go ahead right now, get in, and I'll see you then.